Hello Year 8, it's Mr Davis here. Last week we did pretty well on plotting coordinates in all four quadrants. For instance, point 7, 5 would be here, 7 along the corridor and 5 up. Today we're going to try and reflect shapes in a given line. So we need to work out what people are talking about when they say, for instance, the line x equals 2 or y equals 3. If we think of our grid, we've got the x-axis along the bottom and the y-axis going straight up. We might have x is 1 here, 2, 3 and so on. We might have y equals 1, 2, 3 and so on. If we go below 0 we've got minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 on the y-axis. We go back from here, we've got minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 on the x-axis. If we look at the coordinate 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, we're always putting the x-coordinate first, so we go 1 along the x-axis, 1 up the y-axis, we're here. We go 1 along the x-axis, 2 up the y-axis, 1 along the x-axis, 3 up the y-axis. We could also plot 1, 0, 1 along the x-axis, none along the, or up or down the y-axis. We could plot 1, minus 1, so 1 along the x-axis and 1 down the y-axis, 1, minus 2, 1 along the x-axis, 2 down the y-axis, and finally we'll plot 1, minus 3. So in this case the x-coordinate is always 1 and the y-coordinate varies. This line is then x equals 1 because at every point on that line the x-coordinate is 1. The y-coordinate varies but the x-coordinate's 1. So that's how we define the line x equals 1. So we'll try reflecting some shapes in that first of all. Just to move on, we might have a square drawn here. You've been used to reflecting things in the y-axis or the x-axis, but this time we're going to reflect this shape in the line x equals 1. So we're kind of 1, 2 units away from this line, so we need to go 1, 2 units this way to plot the what is the right hand side of the square here. Because it's a reflection it becomes the left hand side, so that's what it would look like. You're the same distance away here from this line x equals 1 as we are over here.